Hi, I'm Anna with the Frain Group. Today we'll be cycling your Hobart paste mixer integrated with your electrical equipment. Your Hobart paste mixer is currently set at 480 volts, 3-phase. The electrical equipment is currently set at 240 volts, 3-phase. We recommend you read the manuals in their entirety before powering on these machines. We will now be demonstrating variable speed.